You are standing in the checkout line of a busy grocery store. The cashier is moving fast, the line behind you is long, and you have exactly one $20 bill to your name. You glance down at the basket. You grabbed a loaf of bread for $3.95, milk for $4.85, eggs for $5.90, and a quick snack for $3.99. Try to add those exact decimals together in your head right now. Your brain immediately hits a wall. The working memory required to hold and carry all those individual cents creates an instant mental freeze. We are trained in school to believe that mathematics requires finding one perfect exact answer. You either have the sum correct down to the final penny, or you fail the test. But look at this addition stack. If we abandon the decimals and quickly push each price to the nearest dollar, 4, 5, 6, and 4, the math becomes effortless. The total is 19. Demanding absolute precision in a moment like this creates a debilitating bottleneck. Intentionally making a smart guess bypasses the friction and lets you walk up to the register with confidence. Estimation relies on a disciplined approximation, which separates a calculated guess from a random shot in the dark. This number line demonstrates rounding. We take a rigid value like 47 and slide it up the line until it snaps into 50. Applied to currency, nudging $7.95 to $8 instantly removes mathematical friction. Estimation is the deliberate, strategic selection of a number close enough to reality to work, but simple enough to drastically reduce your cognitive load. High-stakes professional environments run on this principle. Speed requires stripping away unnecessary friction. When a professional chef throws a pinch of salt into a pan, they do not bottleneck the kitchen service to weigh out an exact measurement. They estimate the volume by feel. A master carpenter sizes up a rough 2-meter length by eye to keep their workflow moving before committing to the final precise cut. A driver checking their dashboard simply registers half a tank, entirely ignoring the exact milliliters of fuel left in the reservoir. Discarding micromeasurements in favor of strategic estimation allows professionals across all disciplines to maintain velocity, make snap decisions, and stay confident in their momentum. Back in the formal math classroom, this same tool serves a second purpose. It acts as a reliable sanity check against common calculation slips. Take a look at this equation, 198 multiplied by 4. If you attempt this exact mental calculation under pressure, carrying the digits is precarious. A single slip in your working memory and you might accidentally arrive at 600. But if you estimate first, the risk drops. Rounding 198 up to 200 turns a complex problem into 200 times 4. That gives you a clean baseline of 800. The exact answer to the original equation is 792. Because you already established your rough 800 baseline, you instantly know your calculation is in the safe range. If you had landed on that flawed 600, your brain would immediately flag the mistake. This preventative strategy operates as a seatbelt for your brain. It catches simple calculation errors before they lead to the wrong result. Estimation frees your mind from the trap of microscopic details. It shifts your relationship with math from a rigid pursuit of perfection into a flexible tool for seeing the big picture. Next time, we will break down the mechanics of fractions and how to divide anything fairly. Subscribe so you don't miss it.